Kalito! So today, mas special gala tayo dahil dumating ang aking balikbayan friend Ken naman. Road trip muna kami papuntang Casita Anahaw here in Indang, Cavite. Malapit na rin ito sa Tagaytay kaya perfect siyang quick escape from Metro Manila. From Metro Manila, around 1 hour and 30 minutes to 2 hours lang naman ang biyahe. Mabilis lang kasi maaga din kaming umalis at dumaan kami sa Calax. Sulit talaga yung morning drive, lalo na kapag wala pa syempre traffic. So we booked this place through their Facebook page. And for today, day tour kami. Their check-in time starts at 7 a.m. until 6 p.m. Pero kami, napakausapan namin dahil na-late kami, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. But they also offer overnight stays here if gusto nyo mas mahaba pang mag-relax and enjoy the place. So upon entering, mapapansin nyo on the video, sobrang peaceful talaga niya. And nature-inspired vibe ng paligid. Ang daming open space and sobrang presko ng ambience. Kaya nakaka-relax talaga. Marami kasing puno, kahit tirik yung araw, ang lamig-lamig ng hangin dahil sa mga puno, no? Here naman is the Dare Dipping Pool. Perfect pampalamig, especially ngayong mainit ang weather natin dito sa Philippines. Ang ganda rin niyang tambayan and photo spot for the family and friends. Then, dito naman tayo sa Casita area. As you can see, fully air-conditioned yung place and meron silang soft lofts sa taas area na perfect for resting or sleeping after swimming and bonding. Cozy talaga yung setup. Kaya very homey yung feels, sobrang presko, sobrang feels mo talaga yung nasa probinsya ka talaga. And then, meron pala dito silang free beds. Syempre, yung linens and towels. No need to bring your towels na. Meron din silang provided na mga board games. So, pwedeng gamitin yon while bonding with your friends and family. Kaya, hindi kayo maboboard during your day tour. No, maraming activities dito. And then, meron din silang one big CR na malinis and spacious. Plus, may water heater na rin for added comfort during your stay. Kasi yung water nila dito malamig. No? Kasi malapit na nga tayo sa Tagaytay. So, now, let's check the kitchen area. No? Complete sila ng kitchen essentials like rice cooker, microwave, refrigerator, stove, coffee maker, and grilling area. Meron na rin silang plates, mugs, glasses, utensils, pans, kawali, and other cookware kaya hindi nyo na kailangan magdala ng maraming gamit if balak nyo talaga magluto. Kami naman kasi nagdala kami ng mga pwedeng lutuin para mas enjoy yung bonding and mas tipid din during trip. Super convenient talaga kasi complete na yung kitchens nila. May free drinking water and basic condiments na rin sila like oil, soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, and salt. Kaya less hassle talaga. Hindi nyo na kailangan magdala ng mga ganun, no? So, meron din silang malaking speaker dito para magpagpatugtog kayo, kumain, habang nagpapatugtog, mag-chill or bonding with your friends and family. Kaya masaya talaga yung vibe dito. And actually, meron pa pala silang liquid soap dito. So, don't, kahit hindi na kayo magdala ng ganun. So, ito pa. Pet-friendly din itong place na to. So, perfect yan sa mga fur moms natin, for parents natin. So, pwede nyo rin siya lang isama for babies nyo basta responsible pet owners po tayo. Okay? Overall, talagang sobrang relaxing and homey ng vibe dito sa Casita Anahaw. Ayan, as you can see, makikita nyo, sobrang bonding namin, kumakain, ang daming food. Ayan, perfect siya for family, bonding, barkada outings, and peaceful staycation near Cavite. If you guys want to book here, you can check their Facebook page po for the inquiries and reservations. So, thank you guys for watching and tara, ikot pa tayo around Casita Anahaw. Thank you po. Ang tagal naman magbigas. Thank you po. Thank you po. Salamat po. Salamat.